In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all other active sessions on Slack to keep your account secure. If you think your account may still be open on another computer, browser, or device, this is a simple and useful security step. Signing out of other active sessions helps make sure that only you can access your Slack account, especially if you previously logged in on a shared device or forgot to sign out somewhere else. To begin, open your web browser. Go to slack.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct Slack account before moving forward, since this process will apply to the account you're currently using. Once you're signed in, look to the upper corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a menu with several account-related options. From that menu, select Profile. This takes you to the area where you can access more details and settings connected to your Slack account. Next, click the More button. This is the option that looks like three dots. When that menu appears, choose Account Settings. This will open the settings page for your Slack account, where you can manage login and security-related options. On the settings page, scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled Sign out of all other sessions. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. When you see it, click the Sign out of all other sessions button. This tells Slack to end any other active sessions connected to your account on different devices or web browsers. It's an effective way to quickly regain control if you're unsure where your account is still signed in. If Slack asks you to confirm your identity, enter your password when prompted. After that, click Sign Out to complete the process. This extra confirmation step is there to protect your account and make sure only the account owner can make this change. Once that's done, you'll be successfully signed out of Slack on all other devices and web browsers, while remaining signed in on the one you're currently using. As a helpful tip, after doing this, it's also a good idea to review your account security settings regularly and always sign out of shared devices when you're finished. And that's it. You've now secured your Slack account by signing out of all other active sessions.